welcome back to Learn English with us.
It's great to have you back for another shadowing practice session.
Today, we're going to talk all about your day.
You know, those everyday conversations you have with friends or colleagues.
Exactly. We'll help you practice phrases for sharing what happened, how you feel, and asking others about their day.
It's super useful for real-life speaking.
Before we start, remember how shadowing works.
First, you'll hear me say a sentence, and then Sara will repeat it, or something very similar.
After I speak, it's your turn. Try to say the sentence immediately after me.
Don't worry about being perfect. Just try to match our rhythm and pronunciation.
We'll do 3 rounds, slow, normal, and a bit faster. Are you ready?
Let's start with round 1. Slow.
Here we go.
How was your day?
How was your day?
It was pretty good.
It was pretty good.
I had a busy morning.
I had a busy morning.
I woke up early.
I woke up early.
Then I made coffee.
Then I made coffee.
It was very strong.
It was very strong.
What did you do today?
What did you do today?
I went to the store.
I went to the store.
I bought some groceries.
I bought some groceries.
The lines were long.
The lines were long.
But I got everything.
But I got everything.
That's good.
That's good.
Then I had lunch.
Then I had lunch.
I ate a sandwich.
I ate a sandwich.
And a piece of fruit.
And a piece of fruit.
It was delicious.
It was delicious.
How was your afternoon?
How was your afternoon?
It was quite relaxing.
It was quite relaxing.
And I read a book.
I read a book.
And listened to music.
And listened to music.
I felt peaceful.
I felt peaceful.
What about you?
What about you?
I worked on my computer.
I worked on my computer.
For a couple of hours.
For a couple of hours.
It was productive.
It was productive.
But a little tiring.
But a little tiring.
I need a break now.
I need a break now.
That's all for slow round.
Nice job with that slow round.
Yeah, that gives you time to really focus on each word.
Definitely. So Adam, you said you had a busy morning making strong coffee.
Oh yeah, you know, some mornings just demand extra caffeine. It felt like a get things done kind of morning.
I totally get that. My mornings are often a sprint too. But then you had a relaxing afternoon, reading a book. That sounds lovely.
It was. It's important to balance the busy with some quiet time, don't you think?
Absolutely. I often forget to do that. My afternoon was productive but tiring, just like I said.
Well, you got your groceries. That's a big win in my book. Long lines can be annoying.
Tell me about it. But hey, at least dinner is sorted now.
That's true. Okay, ready for round 2? A little faster now, normal speed.
Let's do it.
How was your day today?
How was your day today?
It was pretty good, thank you.
It was pretty good, thank you.
I had a busy morning at work.
I had a busy morning at work.
I woke up early for a meeting.
I woke up early for a meeting.
Then I checked my emails.
Then I checked my emails.
There were so many of them.
There were so many of them.
What did you get up to today?
What did you get up to today?
I went to the gym this afternoon.
I went to the gym this afternoon.
I did some cardio and weights.
I did some cardio and weights.
It was a really good workout.
It was a really good workout.
Now I feel energetic.
Now I feel energetic.
That's fantastic.
That's fantastic.
Did you have a relaxing evening?
Did you have a relaxing evening?
Yes, I watched a movie tonight.
Yes, I watched a movie tonight.
It was a comedy film.
It was a comedy film.
It was a really good workout.
It was a really good workout.
Now I feel energetic.
Now I feel energetic.
That's fantastic.
That's fantastic.
Did you have a relaxing evening?
Did you have a relaxing evening?
Yes, I watched a movie tonight.
Yes, I watched a movie tonight.
It was a comedy film.
It was a comedy film.
I laughed quite a lot.
I laughed quite a lot.
It was a perfect end to the day.
It was a perfect end to the day.
What about your evening plans?
What about your evening plans?
I'm going to cook dinner soon.
I'm going to cook dinner soon.
I think I'll make pasta.
I think I'll make pasta.
It's my favorite quick meal.
It's my favorite quick meal.
I'm looking forward to it.
I'm looking forward to it.
And that's round 2.
All right, how was that for you all?
Hope you're catching the rhythm. It's a bit quicker, but still clear.
Yeah. Adam, you mentioned checking a lot of emails this morning. That's never fun, is it?
No, it really isn't. It felt like a never-ending stream. But then going to the gym really balanced things out.
I can imagine. Getting energetic after a workout always feels amazing. What kind of cardio do you do?
Usually some running or cycling, just something to get the heart rate up. And you're making pasta for dinner? Sounds delicious.
Oh yeah, can't go wrong with pasta. It's my go-to when I'm tired but still want something tasty. And a comedy film, Adam? What did you watch?
I watched the Grand Budapest Hotel again. It always makes me laugh, honestly. It's just a funny movie.
Oh, that's a classic. Good choice. Always nice to end the day with some laughter.
Okay, are you ready for the final round? This is round 3. Faster. Let's push it a bit more. How was your day? Anything interesting happen?
How was your day? Anything interesting happen?
My day was pretty eventful, actually.
My day was pretty eventful, actually.
I had an unexpected meeting this morning.
I had an unexpected meeting this morning.
It ran a bit longer than planned.
It ran a bit longer than planned.
So I missed my lunch break.
So I missed my lunch break.
But it was a really productive discussion.
But it was a really productive discussion.
What have you been up to today?
What have you been up to today?
I spent the afternoon volunteering
I spent the afternoon volunteering
at the local animal shelter.
at the local animal shelter.
It was so rewarding and fun.
It was so rewarding and fun.
I played with all the puppies.
I played with all the puppies.
It brightened my whole day.
It brightened my whole day.
Oh, that sounds amazing.
Oh, that sounds amazing.
Have you done anything special tonight?
Are you doing anything special tonight?
Yes, I'm meeting some friends for dinner.
Yes, I'm meeting some friends for dinner.
I'm really excited about it.
I'm really excited about it.
What about your evening plans?
What about your evening plans?
I'm just planning a quiet night in.
I'm just planning a quiet night in.
Maybe watch some TV and relax.
Maybe watch some TV and relax.
I definitely need to unwind.
I definitely need to unwind.
Sounds perfect after a long day.
Sounds perfect after a long day.
And that concludes our 3 rounds.
Wow, we really sped up there in the last round.
We did. Hope you were able to keep up and felt your rhythm improving.
It's incredible how much easier it gets with practice.
Exactly. So, Sara, your afternoon volunteering at the animal shelter? That sounds like the best part of anyone's day.
Oh, it really was. The puppies were so playful. It just puts a huge smile on your face, you know?
I can only imagine. My day was a bit more businessy with that unexpected meeting.
Yeah, missing lunch is never ideal, but at least it was a productive discussion.
True, true. And you're meeting friends at a new restaurant? That's exciting.
Yeah, I love trying new places. I hope the food is as good as the reviews say. I'm really looking forward to it.
Me too. Hope you have a fantastic time. And for me, a quiet night in sounds absolutely perfect after everything.
Absolutely. Sometimes that's exactly what you need. So how do you feel after practicing with us today?
We hope you feel more confident talking about your day and asking others about theirs.
Remember, the key is consistency. Come back and practice this episode again.
You can try shadowing at different speeds or even without looking at a transcript.
The more you practice, the more natural your English will become.
Keep practicing and keep speaking English.
Thanks for joining us on Learn English with Us for this episode of Real Life English Shadowing Practice.
We'll see you next time for more real-life English conversation practice.
Bye for now.
See ya. Bye.